Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK class. So, students, first all of you take out your GK book, page number 31. Today we will do page 31. Before this page, we will do a quick revision. Now, children, first tell me what you must to say when you going to bed. When you are going to bed, what you must to say? Good night. Very good. Now tell me what you must to say when you hurt someone. What you must to say when you hurt someone? You must say sorry. Very good. Now when you get something from your elders or your friends, what you must to say? Thank you. Very good. Okay. Now we will start our next page. So all of you take out page 31. Take your pencil in your hand. Now all of you put classwork and today's date here. Today also we will do a very interesting thing. Word puzzles. See what you have to do. Fill in the blanks with a letter that will make two words in each case. Take help from the pictures given below. Can you see some pictures are here? First you identify these pictures. What is this? This is milk. What is this? This is moon. What is this? This is rope. This is ring. This is cap. This is a stick. Okay, this is a stick and we can say a cane. A cane. And this is a spoon. And this is mic. Is it, children? Okay. Now, what you have to do? You have to write a letter over here. And when you will write the correct letter over here, you will get two different words. One, then two. Now, what is given? Dash ILK. And below dash OON moon. Now which letter will be here? Remember, children, you have to use only one letter. When you will write that particular letter, you will get two different words. So it will be M. Write M. Now MILK milk. MOON moon. Now number 2. Children, you just put across this box. Now again you have to write a letter over here. And when you will write that letter, you will get two different words. What will be here? This is cap. This is a cane. Like a stick, no? Cane. So first letter C. So if we write here C, the words will be CAP, cap, CANE, cane. Understood? Okay, now number 3. Dash OPE dash ING. So pictures are here. What is this? Rope. What is this? Ring. So first letter is R. if we write here R, R-O-P-E, rope, R-I-N-G, ring. Now next one, dash, P-E-A-K, and dash, P-O-O-N. So what is this? Spoon. And when we speak, we get sound from here, no? So which letter will come here? S. S-P-E-A-K, speak. When we speak, we heard some sound from here. And S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Have you done, children? Very good. So now we are going to our next page. Next page, what you have to do? You have to match the opposite words. See? O-P-P-O, oppo, S-I-T-E-S, sits, opposites, means totally different. Totally different. Now you have to match and you have to draw a line. Okay? So in your left hand side, read after me. F-A-T, fat. See the picture. H-O-T, hot. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. L-I-G-H-T, light. W-O-R-K, work. And in your right hand side, D-A-R-K, dark. S-O-U-R, shower. P-L-A-Y, play. C-O-L-D, cold. And T-H-I-N, thin. Now you have to match from left hand to right hand side. So first is fat. Opposite of fat, thin. Thin. So draw a line nicely and neatly. So fat and thin. Then hot. Hot and cold. So hot and cold. Then light, dark. Sweet, shower. So sweet, shower. Light, dark. Light, dark. Work and play. So work and play. So fat and thin. Opposite of fat is thin. Opposite of hot is cold. Opposite of sweet is shower. Opposite of light, dark. Opposite of work, play. Have you done, children? Very good. So today, till this much. So all of you practice this at home. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.